Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roasted tomato soup. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Have about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, like Roma or cherry, and toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them on a baking sheet with 4 cloves of garlic and a sprig of fresh rosemary. Roast for 30 to 40 minutes until they are tender and slightly caramelized, bringing out their natural sweetness. Once roasted, carefully transfer the warm tomatoes, garlic, and rosemary to a high-speed blender. Be sure to remove the rosemary stem before blending. Add about 2 cups of vegetable or chicken broth to the blender. You can adjust the amount of broth to achieve your preferred thickness. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. This step is crucial for that luxurious, velvety texture we all love in a good tomato soup. Now pour your beautifully blended soup into a saucepan. Heat it gently over medium-low heat, bringing it to a simmer. This allows the flavors to meld together perfectly. If you like, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk for an extra touch of richness and a silkier mouthfeel. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar to enhance the tomato's natural sweetness. Serve your warm, comforting roasted tomato soup immediately. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, homemade croutons, or a drizzle of good quality olive oil for an elegant finish. This soup is fantastic on its own or paired with a grilled cheese sandwich. It also freezes beautifully for up to 3 months, making it perfect for meal prep. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.